Did you know 43% of the web runs on WordPress? From blogs to Fortune 500 sites, WordPress is the backbone. Today, I'll guide you through foolproof installation methods, essential post setup steps, and pro tips to avoid pitfalls. Let's turn your domain into a powerhouse. WordPress powers over 43% of the web, and here's why. Number 1, total flexibility. With over 60,000 plugins and 10,000 themes, you can turn your site into anything, add a store with WooCommerce, create courses with Lifter LMS, no coding required. Number 2, you own it. Closed platforms hold your content hostage. While WordPress, open source freedom, no ads, no rules, you're the CEO here. Number 3, SEO superpowers. Clean code, mobile friendly, and plugins like Rank Matte give you cheat codes to rank higher on Google. Stuck? Number 4, you've got backup. A massive global community, forums, tutorials, developers, has your back 24/7. Number 5, it grows with you. Start small, dream big. WordPress scales from hobby blogs to Fortune 500 sites. No limits. Number 6, budget friendly. The core software, free. You only pay for hosting and extras you choose. No sneaky fees. WordPress is the Swiss Army knife of the internet, versatile, powerful, and ready to build your vision. Let's install yours in the next 5 minutes. Smash that like button, and let's get started. First time WordPress user? No sweat. Let's get your site live in under 3 minutes using Siteground's one-click install. I'll walk you through it, follow along. Step 1. Log into your Siteground dashboard. Look for the WordPress installer under Pinned Tools. Click it. That's your magic button. Step 2. Choose WordPress for a standard site, or WordPress plus WooCommerce if you're selling products. Pro tip: you can always add WooCommerce later. Step 3. Select your domain from the dropdown. Already registered it? Perfect. If not, you can register a new one here. Step 4. Create your login details. Never use admin as the username, hackers love that. Pick a strong password. Save these details in a password manager. Step 5. Hit install, and let Siteground work its magic. Grab a coffee. This takes 30 seconds. Boom, WordPress is live. Pro tips: if the install freezes, clear your browser cache. Still stuck? Siteground's 24/7 support is lightning fast. And bookmark your login page. Trust me, you'll need it later. That's it. You've just installed WordPress. No coding, no stress. Ready to customize your site. Want full control over your WordPress setup? We'll walk you through installing WordPress manually using FTP on Siteground. Before we start, make sure you have a Siteground hosting account, an FTP client like FileZilla, the latest WordPress files from WordPress.org. Download links are in the description below. Log into your Siteground account. From the side menu, go to Site, FTP Accounts. Here, create a new FTP user. Enter a username, password, and click Create. Next, click the 3 dots next to your new user. Select Change Home, set the path to public_HTML, and confirm. This ensures files go to your site's root directory. Open FileZilla, connect using your FTP credentials, and upload all WordPress files. Wait for the transfer to finish. This might take a few minutes. Back in Siteground, head to the MySQL section. Create a new database, then switch to the Users tab. Create a user, link it to the database, and grant all privileges. Save these details, you'll need them later. Visit your domain in a new tab. The WordPress setup screen will appear. Next, connect WordPress to your database. You'll need database name, username, password. We will use the credentials that we have previously created. Database host, usually localhost. Table prefix, keep the default or change it for security. Double check these details. Mistakes here will break the install. Now, name your site and create your admin account. Site title. Your website's name, like My Awesome Blog. Username. Choose carefully, you can't change this later. Password. Make it strong. Use the generator or create your own. Email. Use a valid email for account recovery and updates. Pro tip. Avoid admin as the username, it's a security risk. Go for something unique. Check this box if you're building a staging site or don't want Google to index it yet. For live sites, leave it unchecked. Ready. Hit install WordPress. Boom. WordPress is installed. Click login and use your admin credentials to access the dashboard. Bookmark your login page, your site.com/wp-admin. Once logged in, customize your site. And that's it. You've conquered the WordPress setup screen. Your WordPress site is live. Let's lock it down and turbocharge it. These 4 steps will save you from 99% of rookie mistakes. Step 1. Activate SSL, non-negotiable. In your hosting dashboard, go to Security, SSL Manager. Enable Let's Encrypt. Boom. Your site now has that padlock. No more not secure warnings. Step 2. Declutter. Delete the Hello Dolly plugin. It's a relic from 2003, cute, but useless. Then nuke unused themes under Appearance, Themes. Less bloat equals faster site. Step 3. Fix those ugly URLs. Go to Settings, Permalinks and pick Post Name. Now your links look clean, and Google will love you. Step 4. Install your survival kit. 4 essential plugins. SEO. Rank Math or Yoast. Dominate Google. Speed. WP Rocket caching or Smush shrinks images. Backups. UpdraftPlus. Auto save to Dropbox daily. Security. Wordfence, your digital bodyguard. Sleep easy. Your site is now secure, SEO optimized, and speedy. But wait, there's one last thing. Update your permalinks again if you change them later. Then, install a slick theme, create content, and conquer the internet. You're now a WordPress pro. Comment, WordPress live, when your site's up. Subscribe for next tutorial, choosing a theme that converts. Thanks for watching.